Hello, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, what are the key points on creating the logo that you like on Illustrator, especially for beginners? So, first and foremost, of course, is conceptualization and sketching. So, bags with brainstorming and all, and setting up Adobe Illustrator basically is the main thing here. So, using basic shapes and tools that you're fun with, and typography as well is very important. So, and also before I forget, the color selection, make sure that you've covered that in, and layer organization. So keep your artwork organized using layers and alignments and proportions to make sure that all elements are aligned properly in proportion and they're basically consistent. So those are the key points basically. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.